5 short books you can read in a day that's going to change your practice and life. The Backpack, Steve Judson, great chiropractic author, written so many, fantastic books that have really changed practice. But this one here, less than 80 pages to be able to give you a deep and profound understanding of the burdens that we carry on our back and the burdens that influence our nervous system, our ability to think, to focus, to concentrate, and how we can be coached through this journey to really unleash those things that are binding us through a chiropractic lens that are limiting our scope of our life, our health and our well-being. This is a really important book, particularly if you're working with teenagers with mental health and anyone who's challenged with stress, anxiety, depression, to be able to unpack aspects of their lives that have been traumatic and limiting their health. So you can read this in a day.